Hi guys, today I am unboxing the Aulora Socks with Kodenshi. The socks is part of the Aulora series and it is made in Japan. Here is the laundry care instructions that is available in English, Chinese and Malay. A little note here to be, please store all the Aulora series products away from direct heat and sunlight in a cool, dry place. This is M size. And it has a safety seal here. I'm going to open it, and do not accept it if the seal is broken. And this is the product. It's very soft like all the other Aulora products. This is the Aulora sock. It is very soft like all the other Aulora products, like the shirt and the pants. And this is how it fits. I am using my hand because I don't want to show my foot. It is very soft. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my mom's channel.